Hello, everyone. I want to share with you my healthy and quick high-protein breakfast that fuels you like no other. What if I told you this healthy and quick protein breakfast recipe can completely transform how you feel for the rest of the day? This is a recipe that has truly changed how I approach my mornings, keeping me energized and feeling amazing. Imagine a breakfast with just a few simple ingredients: eggs, coconut milk, buckwheat flakes, dark chocolate, and date paste. That's all it takes. This recipe takes less than 5 minutes once you get the hang of it, and it keeps you feeling full all morning without that mid-morning crush. Now, let's dive into the preparation. It's simple. Start by heating a skillet over medium heat. While that warms up, crack 2 to 4 eggs into a large bowl, depending on your weight and personal goals. Add 200 milliliters of pure, unsweetened coconut milk, then mix in 50 to 100 grams of oats, or, if available, buckwheat flakes, based on your calorie needs. Stir until you get a creamy texture, then pour it into the hot skillet. Cook the eggs scrambled style quickly. Turn off the heat if they start sticking. Pour your scrambled mix into your bowl, and while it's still warm, break 1 to 2 pieces of dark chocolate, at least 75% cacao, into small chunks and let them melt in. Add date paste for sweetness, texture, and taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons, or more if you like. Some brands even offer blends of date with almond or hazelnut paste, which would make this even better. Just ensure there's no added sugar beyond what's in the dates. In just a few minutes, your breakfast is ready. Here's why it works. This meal is packed with high proteins, a crucial ingredient to kickstart your day and halt muscle breakdown from the night before. If you're into fitness or physical activity, it'll help you maintain and build solid muscle mass. And even if you're not, a good dose of protein has health benefits for everyone, whether it's supporting hormone balance, muscle health, or simply keeping you satisfied. And here's a bonus. After having this breakfast, you won't feel tempted to stop by the bakery on the way to work. The power of this meal's satiety effect will make that croissant almost unappealing, and that's a major win for your weight and your health. Now, if you are a bit more curious, let's break down why each of these ingredients does wonders for your health. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients like choline, which supports brain function, making them a powerhouse for sustained energy. Coconut milk not only provides healthy fats, specifically medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which offer quick energy and improve satiety, but it's also the only plant-based milk with the highest protein content by far. Plus, it's a fantastic alternative for those who want to avoid dairy due to intolerance or by choice. Buckwheat flakes, or oats if you prefer, add fiber, essential minerals, and slow-releasing carbs that help regulate blood sugar, avoiding energy crashes. Dark chocolate, at least 75% cacao, is loaded with antioxidants and magnesium, promoting heart health and muscle relaxation. Date paste adds natural sweetness, fiber, and essential minerals like potassium, which helps with muscle function and hydration without spiking blood sugar. Enjoy every bite, adjust the sweetness to your taste, and let it power you through your morning goals. Try this out and let me know in the comments how you feel after making the switch.